Installing double hung windows is a meticulous process that involves several steps, from removal to installation. This guide will provide you with a walkthrough, ensuring that you have all the information you need for a successful window replacement project. Begin by gathering all the necessary tools and materials, including a tape measure, a level, utility knife, a pry bar, a hammer, screwdriver, caulk gun, shims, insulation, and of course, the double hung window. It's also important to have safety equipment like gloves and glasses or goggles to protect yourself during this process. The first step is to remove the old window. Start by removing any trim or casing around the window using a pry bar and utility knife, or both. Carefully cut through any paint or caulk to avoid damaging the surrounding wall. Once the trim is removed, locate and remove the screws or nails that hold the window in place. Gently tap the window frame with a hammer to loosen it from the opening. If the window is particularly stubborn, use a reciprocating saw to cut through any remaining fasteners. Your main objective in this step is to remove any trim or casing that is holding the window in place. Now, with the window frame loose, carefully remove it from the opening and set it aside. Next, prepare the window opening for the new window. Inspect the rough opening for any signs of damage or rot, and repair as necessary. Use a level to ensure that the opening is plumb and square. If the opening is not level, use shims to make the necessary adjustments. Once the opening is properly prepared, dry fit the new window to ensure a proper fit. This step is crucial as it allows you to make any necessary adjustments before permanently installing the window. Now it's time to install the new window. Apply a continuous bead of caulk around the exterior flange of the window. Carefully place the window into the opening, pressing it firmly against the caulk to create a weather-tight seal. Use a level to make sure that the window is plumb and square, and make any necessary adjustments with shims. Secure the window in place by driving screws through the pre-drilled holes in the window frame. There are usually no more than 4 screws per window. Some may be hidden behind these tabs. Just slide the tabs up or down, and the screw holes should be revealed. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper screw placement and tightening. Once the window is securely in place, it's time to insulate around the window frame. Use low expansion spray foam insulation to fill the gap between the window frame and the rough opening. Be careful not to overfill the gap. This can cause the window frame to bow and affect the operation of the window. Allow the foam to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions before proceeding. Remove any excess foam with a drywall knife or sharp hand blade after the foam has set. With the window installed, reinstall the interior and exterior trim or casing. Use finishing nails to secure the trim in place and fill any nail holes with wood putty. Apply a bead of caulk around the trim to seal any gaps and ensure a weather-tight seal. On the exterior, there is a chance you may need to install an extender if needed. They're basically called sill extenders. Finally, paint or stain the trim to match the rest of your interior and exterior decor. And that is if you need it. Once again, double check the entire window for square. Test the operation of the new double hung window to ensure that it opens and closes smoothly. Make any final adjustments as needed. Clean the window and surrounding area to remove any dust or debris from the installation process. Congratulations, you have successfully installed a new double hung window. This step-by-step guide provides a thorough overview of the process, ensuring that you have all the information you need to complete your window replacement project with confidence. By following these instructions carefully and taking your time with each step, you can achieve professional quality results and enjoy the benefits of your new double hung windows for years and years to come. Remember to always follow manufacturer's installation instructions since they may vary slightly. My name is Dan, and thanks for listening. Call TRS for all your business and home restoration projects at 262-334-9110. We'll see you somewhere.